Did you know that after age 60, your body naturally starts losing muscle, even if you stay active? Now, if you've been eating eggs for protein, you're already on the right track. But what if I told you there's a plant-based option that can do even more? One that helps build muscle, supports heart health, boosts gut function, and might even be easier on your body than eggs? Yes, I'm talking about a humble, everyday bean that could be a smarter choice for older adults. Here's something most people don't realize. By your 60s, you naturally start losing about 3 to 8% of your muscle mass every decade. It's called sarcopenia, and it doesn't just affect athletes or bodybuilders. It can lead to poor balance, weaker grip strength, more frequent falls, slower healing, constant fatigue. And here's the kicker. Losing muscle also slows down your metabolism, meaning your body burns fewer calories than it used to. The result? More fat, less strength, and a higher risk of disease. Eggs are a great source of protein. Each one gives you about 6 grams of high-quality, complete protein. But here's the catch. Eggs also come with about 186 milligrams of cholesterol per egg. And if you're dealing with heart issues, diabetes, or high blood pressure, eating too many eggs might not be the best idea. In fact, some research suggests that high egg consumption could raise health risks for certain older adults, especially men with pre-existing conditions. So if you're looking for a protein source that's lower in cholesterol, easier on digestion, and still supports strength and energy, and it's not animal-based, let's talk beans. Beans are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, which keeps your gut and blood sugar in check, minerals like magnesium, potassium, and folate, and zero cholesterol. 1 cup of white navy beans, for example, contains 15 grams of protein, over 13 grams of fiber, and just 0.6 grams of fat. That's nearly triple the fiber of eggs, and just as much usable protein when combined with regular movement. And fiber isn't just good for keeping things moving, it actually feeds the good bacteria in your gut. And when your gut is healthy, it supports so much more than digestion. It helps with better nutrient absorption, lower inflammation, a stronger immune system. Beans are fantastic, but let's be honest. They can cause bloating and gas if you don't prep them properly. Here's how to make them easier on your gut. Step 1. Soak overnight. This helps break down oligosaccharides, the compounds most responsible for gas. Step 2. Rinse well before cooking. Always discard the soaking water and cook with fresh water to reduce digestive discomfort. Step 3. Cook slowly, simmer on the stove, or use a pressure cooker until beans are soft, but not mushy. Softer beans are easier to digest. Bonus tip. Add a pinch of bay leaf, cumin, or ginger while cooking. These herbs naturally help reduce bloating and support digestion. And if canned beans are more convenient for you, no problem. Just make a few smart choices. Choose low-sodium and BPA-free cans whenever possible. Rinse thoroughly under cold water for at least 30 seconds. This helps wash away excess salt and preservatives. With just a quick rinse, canned beans can be a gut-friendly, heart-healthy option without the hassle. If you want to maintain, or even build, muscle after 60, the key isn't just how much protein you eat. It's when you eat it. Instead of loading up at one meal, try to spread your protein intake throughout the day. Aim for 15 to 20 grams of protein per meal. Beans are an ideal source for lunch or an early dinner, and when you pair them with a grain like rice or quinoa, you create a complete protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids. So, if you're skipping meat, this combo is a total win for your muscles, heart, and digestion. You don't need hours at the gym to stay strong. Just 3 minutes a day, done right, can help activate your muscles, improve balance, and lower your risk of falls. Here's a simple 3-minute daily routine. Minute 1, chair squats. 10 gentle reps. Use a sturdy chair for balance. Focus on slow, controlled movement. Minutes. Ute 2. Wall push-ups. 10 to 15 reps. Stand an arm's length from the wall and go at your own pace. Minute 3. Standing leg lifts. 10 reps per leg. Hold on to a chair or counter. This builds hip and core strength. Tip: do this while watching TV or waiting for your coffee, and within a few weeks you'll feel stronger, steadier, and more confident on your feet. And while you're upgrading your protein, here are a few simple food swaps to help protect your body after 60. Skip bacon and sausage. Swap lentils or chickpeas, full of fiber and heart-healthy protein. Skip white rice. Swap quinoa or wild rice for steady energy and more nutrients. Skip heavy cream and butter. Swap olive oil or avocado, rich in healthy fats that support brain and heart health. These changes might seem small, but over time they can lower inflammation, improve cholesterol, and boost your daily energy, all without giving up flavor. Next, we'll dive into a full weekly meal plan featuring beans, complete with easy recipes, senior-friendly tips, and simple strategies to help you make the habit stick. Whether you're cooking for 1, 2, or the whole family, these meals are designed to be nutritious, affordable, and easy to prepare. No fancy ingredients or complicated steps. Let's make eating for strength and brain health simple and delicious. 7-day bean-powered meal plan for adults. 60 plus, simple, satisfying, senior-friendly. Monday. Lunch. Chickpea salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, parsley, and olive oil. Dinner. Hearty lentil soup with spinach, plus a slice of whole grain bread. Tuesday. Lunch. Black bean tacos with avocado and cabbage slaw. Dinner. Stir-fried kidney beans with brown rice and steamed broccoli. Wednesday. Lunch. Whole grain toast topped with hummus and sliced tomatoes. Dinner. Bean chili with sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and warm spices. Thursday. Lunch. Mixed bean salad with quinoa, bell peppers, and lemon vinaigrette. Dinner. White bean and kale stew with garlic and herbs. Friday. Lunch. Lentil patties wrapped in lettuce with a light yogurt dip. Dinner. Whole grain pasta with cannellini beans, cherry tomatoes, and spinach. Saturday. Lunch. Eggplant and chickpea curry with basmati rice. Dinner. Bean and veggie stir-fry in olive oil and tamari sauce. Sunday. Lunch. Rustic bean soup with barley, carrots, and herbs. Dinner. Mediterranean bean bowl with greens, olives, cucumbers, and tahini drizzle. Pro tips for seniors: cook in batches and refrigerate or freeze leftovers for easy meals. Add lemon juice or herbs like ginger, cumin, or turmeric to enhance digestion. Pair with a healthy fat like olive oil or avocado to boost nutrient absorption. These meals are packed with plant-based protein, magnesium, iron, and prebiotic fiber, all essential for strong muscles, better digestion, and a healthy heart, especially as you age. Recipe 1. Creamy chickpea stew. Serves 2. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked chickpeas, 1/2 onion chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 handful fresh spinach, cup low-sodium vegetable broth, TBSP olive oil. Instructions: in a pot, heat olive oil and sauté onion and garlic until soft. Add turmeric and chickpeas, stir for about 2 minutes. Pour in the broth, bring to a simmer, and cook for 10 minutes. Add spinach and cook until wilted. For extra creaminess, blend part of the stew before serving. This stew is warm, comforting, and easy on aging digestion. Recipe 2. 5-minute high-protein bean toast. Ingredients: 1. Slice sprouted grain or whole grain bread. 1/2 cup mashed white beans, like cannellini or navy beans, drizzle of olive oil, sprinkle of black pepper, optional, sliced tomato or avocado for topping. Instructions: toast the bread. Mash the beans with a little olive oil and black pepper. Spread the bean mixture on toast. Add sliced tomato or avocado if desired. Quick, protein-rich, and perfect for breakfast or a light lunch. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. One simple, healthy meal at a time. Now, let's explore the science behind it all. How beans support aging muscles, why fiber is critical after 60, and how the right foods can nourish both your gut and your brain as you age. Because when you understand why it matters, making healthy choices becomes a whole lot easier. Here's where it gets really interesting. As we age, especially after 60, we naturally begin to lose muscle. This process is called sarcopenia, and it affects up to 1 in 3 older adults. But here's the good news. Research shows that protein-rich diets, even from plants like beans, can help slow muscle loss, improve strength, and support mobility. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health Aging, found that plant proteins were just as effective as animal proteins in supporting muscle health for older adults, especially when combined with light physical activity. Why beans work so well? High-quality protein to maintain and repair muscle, leucine, an amino acid key for muscle growth, iron, magnesium, crucial for muscle contraction and energy, fiber, supports gut health and helps your body absorb nutrients efficiently. So yes, beans don't just match eggs and meat. In some ways, they may even beat them. Now let's talk about something most people overlook. Your brain and your gut are directly connected. And for seniors, that connection can make or break your memory, mood, and focus. Here's why beans matter so much. They feed the good bacteria in your gut. That bacteria produces short-chain fatty acids which protect brain cells. Beans help lower inflammation, a key driver of Alzheimer's and stroke. In fact, a study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that seniors who ate legumes 4 or more times per week had better memory performance and less brain shrinkage. So when we say beans help your muscles, bones, and belly, we're also saying they support your mind, memory, and mood, because the right foods don't just fuel your body, they nourish your whole self from the inside out. So let's wrap this up. You don't need powders, you don't need protein bars, and you definitely don't need meat at every meal. All you need is one humble, powerful bean to build strength, to sharpen your brain, to support your gut, and to help you keep moving into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your body thanks you. If you found this video helpful, here's what to do next. Click like. It helps us reach more seniors who can benefit from this information. Share it with a friend or loved one who's focused on staying healthy after 60. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel for weekly videos on brain health, aging well, and simple habits that make a difference. We're here for you every step of the way. From all of us at Public Save Life, thank you for watching.